Welcome back, my dear students. Today we are going to revise the chapter 3 from your NCERT book, Fiber to Fabric. As you know, along with food and shelter, clothing is also a basic need of our lives. Clothes protect us from external factors like heat, cold, rain, etc. Then we usually wear clothes based on climates, occasions, and also according to the present fashion trends. All these clothes are prepared from fibers. Now you will know that what is fiber. As you have learned already how fiber is made and how fabric is made, and what is the simplest mode of this fiber and fabrics, that is yarn. Yarn is defined as a long twisted continuous strand composed of interlocked fibers or filaments which are used in knitting and weaving to form cloth. Now fiber is the thin thread or filaments which form a yarn. Okay, means fibers are very thin, long, flexible, hair or thread-like structures. The fibers are usually obtained from different sources. Now we will discuss about that. So where do fibers come from? These are basically the sources. Here the basic sources including two natural fibers and synthetic fibers. From natural fibers, that is obtained from plants and animals, and synthetic fiber that is not obtained naturally, that is man-made with advancement of technology, with use of chemicals, so many things. Okay, let's discuss in details. Natural fibers, fibers that comes from plants and animals, that is are found in nature, are called natural fiber. So these are totally obtained from nature. Okay, and example, we get jute and cotton from plants, and these are actually jute fibers and cotton fibers. These are extracted from jute and cotton plants. Wool is acquired from fleece of a goat or sheep, and it can also be acquired from the hair of yak, rabbits, camels, etc. Okay. Next, silk fiber can be procured from cocoon of silkworm, means obtained from cocoon of silkworm. So these all are comes under the animal and plant source from the natural fiber. Okay. Next comes to synthetic fiber. What is synthetic fiber? Synthetic means artificial or man-made fibers. Fibers that are made of chemical substances, that is substances not found directly in nature, are classified as synthetic fibers such as nylon, acrylic, polyester, etc. Okay. Now you can see the example of different natural fiber source with source. First is that cotton fibers from cotton plant, then jute fibers from jute plant, here silk fiber from the cocoon of silkworm, then wool from the fleece of sheep. Okay. Synthetic fibers, there are many examples of synthetic fibers such as rayon cloth, nylon thread, polyester bag, acrylic paints. These all you have already seen in previous class. This is your revision class. Again I am recapitulating you all the main thing. Okay. Now we will again discuss about natural and synthetic fiber difference. What is the basic difference between these two fibers? First, as you know, natural fiber, this is obtained from nature, but synthetic fiber, it is not obtained from nature, it is completely man-made or artificial. Second, it is comfortable to wear, but synthetic fiber, it is not as comfortable as natural fiber. Okay. Next, natural fiber, for its processing, for obtaining the fiber from the natural source, no chemical are needed. Okay, but in case of synthetic fiber extraction, various chemical substances are required for processing. Number 4 difference. It has its glowing natural color. But in case of synthetic fiber, colors are added when there is requirement of color in that fiber. Fifth difference, it is environment friendly. And in case of synthetic fiber, these are harmful for environment. Some fabrics causes pollution. And next example of different fibers like natural fiber, cotton, jute fibers, then wool, silk. Okay, these all are comes under natural fiber. But synthetic fibers like rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic, etc. I hope you understood this very well. If you have again any problem, I will discuss with you. Okay. And then on the next day, I will discuss more about the plant fibers, that is cotton plants and jute plant, and how the jute fibers and cotton fibers are extracted from cotton plants and jute plants. And next, we will see more processing of this fiber to fabric, how this processing is done, via spinning, ginning, these all things with proper revision. Okay, you are requested to do your study very well and give your best effort. Okay, that's all. Thank you.